So I want to be able to take this pump in and out. This is an Alpine. It's about 8,000 gallons per hour, which should meet our needs. So I basically outlined this around the pump because I want to be able to bring the pump straight in and out without having to finagle it, because it'll have the pipe coming up that'll then elbow out of the tank. So I'll use actually a straight knife instead of like a jigsaw or anything to cut that out. That way I don't get any shavings in the tank. And then I'll come back and I'll show you. I'm going to mount a handle and some ears so that this can actually just set right in and out. But I'll show that here in a few minutes. Okay, we've got the plumbing done. I got to replace that. I grabbed the wrong tee. It's a drain tee instead of a water tee, but that's okay. We'll test it. So I've got just one of the things turned on, and so we're going to plug it in here and see what happens. So we'll see if I can do this one-handed. It's maybe a little. We're just going to run a short test. Okay, I hear water flowing through the pipes. I don't see any huge waterfalls anywhere. Well, it's definitely putting water out a little more than we want right now. We can tone that down with the valve. But anyway, everything's working. It's shooting water everywhere, but we'll get that dialed in and adjusted. So this week in the greenhouse, I got quite a bit accomplished on this next rack that we're putting into service. I got all the plumbing done, and I've test run and installed and test run the pump, and it is working. So we're getting ready to commission now this side of the greenhouse. We'll start to actually move some of these. I always have a hard time doing this. Some of these channels over to that side, and that way I can go ahead and, as you can see, I can go ahead and finish building out the rest of this rack and plumbing it in to the main reservoir and pump as well. So still plenty to do, but we're making progress. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and share this. We're trying to grow the channel. Hope that you guys are enjoying the content. Thanks so much.